It's our last night in Belfast, and it's kind of sunny, but it's also absolutely torrentially raining. So the question is, where are we going for dinner? The place where we have to walk 10 feet or the one that we have to walk 2 kilometers? What do you think, Soph? Oh, she wants to go 2 feet. Okay. Well, oh God, look at that. Since we've come to Ireland, both Republic of and Northern, it's been on and off rainy compared to the first 9 days of our hot and cold Mediterranean and Ireland vacation, but this is probably the single worst bit I've seen.